Hi, my name is Barry from Smith Private Limited. Today is 21st of January 2019, 2:40 p.m. and I have one client. His website called SARAR.com. This website is a demo store at the moment because it's not fully functional, and they want to know how to make changes in the web pages, and that's I'm gonna do it. And these are the some pages at the bottom you can see, and I'm gonna make change in this about page. And at the moment there's about only. I'm gonna say here about SARAR ANZ. What I'm gonna do is, for that I'm going to type SARAR ANZ, and this link will take me to this login, and this then I have created one user code manager and have the password for that, and then to click on a sign in. After sign in, it will take inside the website in the backend, and mostly shows like takes us in the sales section in orders. And if I wanted to make changes in pages, it's under the content pages, and find the page, what page you want to make changes. I'm talking about this about page, and I'm going to this select section, click on here, I say edit, and it will take inside. And in content section, go what is written in here. This is content section. Sorry, this is content section where all the contents are, and I'm gonna put here SARARANZ. Then I don't have to change anything else, and if someone doing the SEO, you have to go and watch some video what you want to write here. And I'm not doing it at the moment. I will do it later. First I have to create the website. Then after making changes, I don't have to be worried about anything else other than content at the moment. And then I'm going to make uh, save changes, and now you have saved the page, as you can see here. When I will come here, it shows here, it should show like Sararians, and in case it won't, and then I will tell you what happens at the back end. And it's so like showing like SRR NZ here at the top. In case it won't show, then you have to go to the system, cache management, and you have to flush the magento cache. What it will do, it will clear all the old data and recreate the static data, all those things, so that website can be loaded faster. And that's it. And it will be bit, first time it will take time to load, then second time it will be faster and faster. Oh yes, and there is something missing, like SARAR International. I have to make changes in there, I think so. And I will go to about page again. There's one mistake there, and that's about page, and select edit here to make the change. There should be space between SARAR International. Go to content, go to SARAR International, save. Now you can see there's no space. It will be having a space between those things. There we go. And that's how you can make change in the website, and especially in the pages at the moment. And I will create another video how to create products, categories, all those things, and how to deal with the customers later on. It's not that hard. There's lots of videos, but still, in case my clients need it, I can do that for you. And make sure after doing this one, you go in and sign it and sign out, sorry, and so that no one can make other changes, like in case sometime you have opened the website and you logged in, you forgot to. Sometimes it will log out by itself after a couple of minutes when session is expired. That's all at the moment for about this video. I hope it will help them, and at the end I will say thank you very much.